The situation you are currently experiencing is currently turning into something super dream aligned. Something that you might not see in this very moment, but something very, very, very dream aligned is on the other side of that. It's currently in the making, we could say. Like today when I opened the fridge door. The cherries that I was about to eat flew across the floor. The cherries. As they were spread across the mat, actually. One could think that this is not a dream-aligned situation to be in. But as I started to collect and pick up the cherries from the floor, I found something. My hair tie that had been missing, that I needed, was right there. The cherries dropping on the floor. The seemingly not so dream-aligned situation actually turned into a dream-aligned situation. Thanks to it, I found that hair tie. Also, recently when I wasn't able to walk for a month and a half, being in the middle of that situation didn't always look perhaps so dream-aligned to the surface. But actually, thanks to that, I rested super much. I rested so much that after resting for a month and a half, like crazy, my energy levels have been on a whole another level. That recharged my energies like never before. I would have never rested that much if that situation would not have been present in my field. If I wouldn't have experienced that, I wouldn't have gained all that energy. So something not so dream-aligned kind of turned into a dream-aligned situation. And when I got a burnout, that definitely wasn't a dream-aligned situation to be in. In the moment, I truly couldn't see that. Feeling all that brain fog and not being able to function normally in my life. Feeling all the anxiety and stress and However, as all situations always turn into something dream-aligned in the end. always that burnout situation turned into me choosing to live my life from a state of peace. Ever since I have chosen to prioritize my inner peace. And now I live my dream life from a state of inner peace, feeling like a dream. Having prioritized peace for years now, every day putting peace first. So again, the situation actually made something dream aligned to happen. So now my question to you is that looking at the past, like recent situations you have gone through, what dream aligned has happened or come out of it thanks to going through that? This is a positive mindset practice, darling. You can journal on this if you really want to be super positive. And if you are currently going through anything, not so dreamaligned, like cherries all over the floor, or something next level. Know that you will get to that point in time, and you look at that situation, and so many positive things happen thanks to it. When you look back, you think like that. You are so grateful for that situation. Because you know that so many good, positive things happened as a result of that. You getting to experience that. Would you love to laugh like this with me now? Yeah. Oh, I love it when you do that with me. Let's do it one more time. So you can laugh like that anytime, in any situation. Okay. And now I want to thank this cherry that was in the box, that flew on the floor. Thank you for this message.